Don't you know that there's a legendary folder hidden in Windows 10 that gives you a quick access to a ton of handy settings in one place? That is called the God Mode folder, and it's very easy. All you need to do is follow these simple steps. Hey everyone, now I'm back again with another amazing video. So if you don't want to miss any of our new videos, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click that bell icon for you to always be updated with my latest video tutorials. So the so-called God Mode folder provides links to a range of administration tools and tweaks in Windows. It's been around for a while in older versions of Windows and is still alive as well in Windows 10. So here's how you can activate the omnipotent God Mode in Windows 10. So as you can see, we are here on my Windows, on my desktop. All you need to do is right click anywhere and create a folder. So new and then folder. And then we just need to name the folder to God Mode. And I already have the codes in here. Here it is. I hope that you will able to see this, so let me just adjust the screen size or the font size of this text. Let me try 36 and that should do it. So here is the complete number or codes that you need to put on the name of the folder. So instead of a file name, this will be the file name or the folder name. So just copy this one and I will just going to delete this, replace it with God Mode and paste it in, and I will going to put my mouse in a different area, and as you may have noticed, the icon has changed to similar to control panel. So again, here is the complete set of codes. Make sure that you put the dots and the curly brackets. So by the way, I just want to let you know that you can replace God Mode, this word in here, the first word, you can replace this with Ninja Mode or any name that you prefer. So now let's try. Let me minimize this first and let's try to open this now. So let's open the God Mode folder to access over 260 commands, from administrative tools to backup tools to internet options and other important settings. So as you can see, the first set is the administrative tools that has 12 tools, autoplay, and then backup and restore. There's a lot of options, and this will be a total of 260 commands. You can also drag and drop any of the commands from your God Mode folder to your desktop for quick access in the future. So as you can see, if you're going to scroll down a bit, you can find a lot of commands in one particular place, and that's our God Mode. So that's how you do it. So that's all for now. I hope that you have enjoyed watching and learned something in this video. If you have something to say about this video, please don't hesitate to leave the comments below. Once again, this is Nonstop Coding. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.